Hi students, today we are going to see about special series. Special series, they have some, it is a unique thing. See here, sum of the first n natural numbers or squared numbers or cube numbers or odd numbers, even numbers, like that. They will have some unique thing in their series. Okay, so for that we will use some formulas. We are having regular formulas for all the series. All these series we are having different formulas. Okay, so these series are called special series, and one among those series is this one: sum of the first n natural numbers. Formula 1. So see here, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, all are starting from 1. They are called natural numbers, you know. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus dot plus n equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is the formula to find the sum of first n natural numbers. Now see here, find the sum of the series. For example, we will see one formula and one sum based on that formula. Okay. So find the sum of the series. This is the series 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot plus 60. Now see here. First, seeing the sum, it is very clear that it belongs to the formula of sum of first n natural numbers. So write the formula first. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot plus n equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Now you write the question: 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot plus 60 equal to 60 into 60 plus 1 by 2. That is, in the place of n, what is there? 60. Okay. So just substitute 60 in the place of n. That's all. Very simple. Now you can cancel this 60 and this one. 2 and 60. If you cancel, you get 30. So 30 into 60 plus 1, 61. So write this 0 as it is. 1 3s are 3, 6 3s are 18. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay, this is the sum of the given series. Okay, from the numbers 1 to 60. Right. We will see another one example. See here. Find the sum of the series 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus dot plus 75. And see here, actually we know to find the sum of the series only from 1. We are not having any formula from 16. Okay, so from 16 we are not having any formula, only from 1. So what I am going to do is, I am going to split this series into 2. See here, that is, I am going to write this series as a difference of two series. So right now actually it is very clear that it belongs to natural numbers formula. Okay, 16, 17, 18, all are continuous numbers and they belong to the natural numbers. So you can write the formula first. 3 plus dot plus n, which is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Now you write the given series 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus dot plus 75 and put equal to here, because if you put here, it will be, the space will not be enough. So I am putting down here. And see here, instead of finding this series 16 to 75, what I am going to do is, I am going to find from 1 to 75. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot plus 75. Okay, that is this is from 1 to 75. 1 maybe it will be here. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, okay, like that. So 1 to 75 I have found, minus 1 to till the number before 16. What is the number before 16? 15. Okay, actually this is the answer we have to find from this. What I am doing, I am just finding the entire, from 1 to 75, the whole sum, minus till 1 to 15. Okay, if you subtract these two, you will get this series. Okay, so minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot plus 15. Okay, is it clear? So see here, now if see here, For example, one wood is here like this. Okay. They are asking to find the length of this length. For example, A, B, C. They are asking to find BC, this length. This length, I need to find this length. But I know the length of AB, full length 100 centimeter, full length. And I know this length also. This is 20 centimeter. Okay. Then what is the length of BC? I know full length, that is AC length, full length I know, and I know AB 20. Now what is the length of this part? 80 centimeter. How did you get 100, that full length, minus this half? I got the second half, 80. So this, how you are getting 100 minus 20, okay, which is equal to 80. The same thing I am applying here. Okay, see here, the full thing minus the first half. Okay, the entire sum minus the first half. I will get the second half. Okay, is it clear? Okay. So now we got two series. Okay, I have split one series into two series, right, which is equal to, now see here, in this series what is n? 75. In this series what is n? 15. So what you do, you here the formula I wrote here, so just substitute 75 there first. N is 75. 75 into 75 plus 1 by 2 minus, here what is the n? 15. 15 into 15 plus 1. 15 into 15 plus 1 by 2. Okay. Now see here, you can't cancel this. So 75 into 76 by 2 minus 15 into 15 plus 1, 16 by 2. You can cancel this 2 and 76, you are getting 38. And if you cancel this 2 and 16, you will get 8. Now what you do, multiply 75 into 38 minus 15 into 8. Okay, so 75 into 38. If you multiply 75 into 38, 40, 56, 60, 15, 21, 22. Okay, again you can check. 0 remaining 4, 56, 56 plus 4, 60, 3 5s are 15, remaining 1, 3 7s are 20, 21, 22. So if you add, you are getting 2850. So 2850 minus 15 8s are 120. Okay, so if you subtract these two, you will get the final answer. I think that is easy. See here, 2850, subtract. For subtraction, you write from the right side. Addition, whatever you write from the second number, you have to write from ones place. 0, 5 minus 2, 3, 8 minus 1, 7, 2, 2730. Clear? Okay. So this is the way you have to find the sum of the series of n natural numbers. Next, we are going to see formula 2, that is the sum of the squares of first n natural numbers. See here, sum of the squares of first n natural numbers. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus dot 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 plus till n square. The formula is n into n plus n into n plus 1, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay, so this is the formula, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay, now see here, we will see one sum based on this formula. Example, first example, find the sum of the series 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dot 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 till 19 square. So seeing the question itself, it is very clear that it belongs to the formula 2, sum of the squares of first n natural numbers. So write the formula first. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dot 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 plus n square equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Now you write the question. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dot 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 plus 19 square equal to, instead of n, 19, substitute 19. 19 into 19 plus 1 into 2 into 19 plus 1 by 6. Okay, instead of n I am replacing 19. Okay, so 19 into 19 plus 1 20 into 2 into 19 38, 38 plus 1 39 by 6. Now you can cancel this 6 and 20 by 2 table. 2 tens are 2 threes are. Now you can cancel 3 and 39 by 3 table directly. 3 13s are 39. Now you have to multiply 19 into 10 into 13, which is equal to actually first you multiply 19 into 13 so that you can easily multiply by 10. So 19 into 13 we will multiply first. 19 into 13. 3 nines are 27, remaining 2. 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2 5. 1 nines are 9, 1 ones are 1, so 7. 14 remaining 1, 247. So 19 into 13, 247 into 10. So you are getting 2470. This is the answer. Okay, so easily you can multiply by 10, just add 1 0 to the number. That's all. 247 into 10, 2470. That's all. Okay, it's clear. Next we are going to see another one example based on this formula. Find the sum of the series 6 square plus 7 square plus 8 square plus dot 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 till 21 square. So the same model as we saw before sum. We don't have formula from 6 square, 7 square. Okay, this we are having only formula from 1 square. Okay, so see here. We'll write the formula first. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dot 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 plus n square equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Clear. Now we will write the question. 6 square plus 7 square plus 8 square plus dot 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 plus 21 square equal to, see here, instead of finding this, what I am doing, see here, I am finding the sum from 1 square. Okay, 1 square, 2 square plus dot, like from 1 square to 21 square. Okay, I explained you in the previous sum, that is in previous concept formula 1, like this sum we saw. So we can, instead of finding the sum of this series from 6 square to 21 square, we can find the sum of, we can find the difference between the sum of 1 square to 21 square, 1 square to 21 square minus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus till what is the number before 6 square? 5 square. Okay, 5 square. So till 5 square. That's all. So instead of finding this sum 6 square to 21 square, I am just subtracting 1 square plus 21 square. Okay, 1 square to 21 square minus 1 square to 5 square. The total sum subtracted by the first half. Then I can find the second half. Okay, so this is first half, this is second half. So to find the second half, I am finding the full sum, entire sum minus the first half. Okay, right. Okay, now, so I have divided into two series. In this series, what is n? 21. So in this series, 5 is the n. So substitute 21 in the place of n. See here. So 21 into, see here, 21 into 21 plus 1, 21 plus 1 into 2 into 21 plus 1. 2 into 21 plus 1 by 6. So this is first series minus second series. In this series, what is n? 5. So substitute 5 in place of n. So 5 into 5 plus 1 into 2 into 5 plus 1. Put in a bracket. Okay, by 6. Now see here, 21 into 21 plus 2, sorry, 21 plus 1, 22 into 2 into 21, 42, 42 plus 1, 43 by 6. Okay. Now you can cancel this 6 and 21 by 3 table. 7 3s are 2 3s are, and 2 and 22 by 11 table, minus 5 into 6 into 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So 11 by 6. Now you can cancel 6 and 6. Okay. Now see here, 7 into 11 into 43 minus 5 into 11. Okay. Now 7 into 11, 77 into 43 minus 55. Okay. Minus 55. 5 11s are 55. Now you have to multiply this 77 into 43. See here, 77 into 43. 3 7s are 21, remaining 2. 21, 21 plus 2, 23. 28, remaining 2. 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 2, 30. So 1, 1, 11. Remaining 1 here, and put 3, 3 here. So 3311 minus 55. So if you subtract this, you will get the final answer. 3311 minus 55. Subtract, can't subtract. So borrow from here. This becomes 2. This becomes 11. This becomes 10. Okay. So 6, 5, 2, 3. So your final answer is 3256. Okay. So this is the way to find the sum of the series of squares of the first n natural numbers.